Hello lovely, in this video I'm going to show you a few examples of end screens, and make sure to stay till the end of this video because I have free end screen templates ready for you so that you can just add them to your video and not have to worry too much about graphics. So this first example is from Grow with Lady, the channel that you're watching this on now, where I created a little bit more of a complicated graphic than I usually do, but I wanted it to match my banner for my channel. And let's go here. So for an end screen, what it is at the very end of your video, for the maximum amount is 20 seconds long, you can have a video or a playlist show up here and a subscribe button here. So as you can see, my style is to do a video and a subscribe button on the right side of the video and have some sort of graphic on the left side. So that'll play. In the video I'm actually talking, but I muted it so that you don't hear two of me at the same time. Let me show you another example. So if you don't want to create graphics for your end screen, you can always just position yourself to one side of the screen and place your end screen or the little video here on the video, and you can see I was having fun with it, being a little bit more silly, pointing to the video because it was a little bit more of a fun moment and super excited about this video, this upcoming series. So definitely, and if I click on this video, it will take me to that video, which is a great thing about end screens. It helps to helps you to get from one video to the next. Let me show you a third example because I'm showing you all of these because I want you to have a pretty good idea about all the possibilities that you have for your end screens. So let's play this one. This is a video I just uploaded last week about cruise embarkation, so the day of your cruising. So as you can see here, these are actually pieces of little clips of me being silly because when I record a video there are a lot of bloopers that happen. So here I'm actually showing off my free cruise packing list that I made, and I'm showing that here. I'm showing what they can get, and the link is below, but also where they can go to get it. If you're just like, Lady, I don't like to create graphics, but I do like the way they look, then what you want to do is go to ladymora.com/YT, where I give you for free YouTube end screens. But it doesn't stop there. I give you thumbnails, watermarks, and end screens to all match, and they can all be branded in the same colors. I give you 7 different colors. So definitely go to ladymora.com/YT, where you will get the free end screens where you can put a video in them just like this.